Hello everyone, this is Miriam Perez and I'm super excited to be back here with another video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be working with the Rose Blossom stamp set, which you can see here on the screen. In case you didn't know, the Altenew stamp sets come with a trifold insert in which you can find the layering guide of the stamp, some fun card ideas, as well as ink color suggestions. This particular set also has a coordinating die set, which of course works perfectly fine with the stamp set. Okay, so let's get started. For this layout, I wanted to focus on using the beautiful roses from this stamp set to create clusters of flowers and leaves on the top and the bottom part of my layout. In order to do that, I started by building the roses. I created two kinds of roses, a blue one and a pink one. For the blue one, I used the Deep Blue Seas Mini Ink Cube set, which includes 4 colors: Sea Breeze, Turquoise, Tide Blue, and Starlight. I used the inks from the lighter one to the darker one. And since the rose has 4 layers, this set worked perfectly fine. For the pink one, I used the Red Cosmos Mini Ink Cube set, which includes 4 colors as well: Frosty Pink, Coral Berry, Ruby Red, and Grapevine. And for the leaves, I used the Greenfields Mini Ink Cube set, which also include 4 colors, but I only use Frayed Leaf, Forest Glades, and Evergreen. I know that these may sound like a lot of information, but if you check out the blog post I have created, you will see that all the inks are listed there. Once I finished with the stamping process, which took me a couple of hours I think, I stamped with the Altenew Embossing Ink onto vellum paper some of the images from the set. Added some of the Altenew Antique embossing powder and heat embossed them. I loved how this turned out, so I tried to include a bunch of them. The other part of the process was much easier in my opinion. What I did was to add some layers of paper behind my photo and popped it up with foam adhesive. I also added the journaling of my photo, put the title on, for which I used the word friends from the Sweethearts adhesive wood veneers, and in the end I also added some enamel dots. I also forgot to mention that for the border of my layout I used a pattern paper from the Live Your Dream collection, so in case you were wondering, there it is. Okay, so that is it for today. So before the video ends, I wanted to mention that I have 2 more ideas using the Rose Blossom stamp set over at the Altenew Scrapbook blog, so make sure to visit the blog post to get even more inspiration, and as always, link is down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the little bell so you don't miss any new videos from the super talented Altenew team. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!